like on this video?
Please.
Please, dude. Just please. It's...
We don't get any money, guys.
Shut up, Caden. You don't get money from YouTube.
Yes, you do. You really, Jacob? Jacob, do you get money for YouTubing?
Okay, look at me. Show them what's in there, Jacob.
I'll go in there too, guys. Jacob, you got it.
Here, Jacob.
Why, you scared to get in there? No.
It's too big. It's hard.
Freaking.
It's too big for him. Here comes Kel. Here, they're back. Thought this was a snake right there.
What?
Well, it's like a wire thing right there. Oh, you did. There's some snake skin right there.
I believe that is snake.
Check it out for us, guys.
Make a hideout of this thing.
Oh God, Jacob.
Come on, Jacob. We need to go in here.
Yep.
Guys, you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna jump on that side, okay?
Go.
1, 2, 3. You coming?
Yes.
Run! You have to come with me, Jacob.
Brian, how are you supposed to get out now?
Look up here.
That's just the side of it.
Exit.
Look, you can open that.
Exit,
emergency
guys.
exit only. It's a door right there.
I dare you do it.
Here, hold this.
Here, point it at that exit.
I'm
gonna try to open
show
this.
you something, man. You should be doing not doing. No rapping, Caden.
I like that though.
Good.
You like it? Yeah, but we're doing a video.
Oh, yeah, sorry, guys. Go, now, kill. Rap.
Shit.
At the end of it? Yeah. At the end of the video, I'll be rapping.
Yeah, that'll be hashtag rat boy, hashtag noob boy. Hashtag noob boy, noob boy.
I'm not a new boy. I'm not a new
And hashtag rat boy.
This is
Noob
side.
and rat, hashtag rat boy. Yes.
Kind of a cool boy.
And I'm hashtag.
No. Bring the hashtag.
Hashtag, guys. Hashtag.
Show him up here, Kel. And show him the way we get down and up. Yeah, come on. I got up here like this.
Okay, guys, hang on. Jacob.
Remember? Guys, I'm not a cool boy. I'm an Eminem boy.
We've never been in this, guys. He's stupid. My fucking God, he's stupid.
He's actually been in here. He has. Come on, Cole. Come up here, Cole. Let's check it out up here. Pretty cool.
I'm reaching there.
I'm not rapping, Jacob.
Look at this, guys.
Hey, guys, parkour.
Can I see you?
Kind of regret that. The fact that I'm not being done with rapping with this new outlet.
Here's Kel. Okay, so
Look at.
guys, you want to see a real view?
We could get down this way.
I'll sit down.
Listen to the crowd. I'm about to train. Hell, we don't have to train us. I'm back down, guys.
Guys, is this the end of the video? No.
Make our video long.
Like 10 minutes. You have a minute left until this video ends, guys.
How long has it been? 9 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, but hang on. So,
Guys, we're going to end this video in just a second.
yeah, but Rap Boy's on. I'm beginning to feel like I can rap.
Just sing the fast
Oh
part.
my. Okay, subliminal ice tsunami. Okay, dude, point at me, man. Subliminal ice tsunami. Why I got to do an innovative love of the same thing. Shade on me. More dim sing more than ever had to give me the fucking honest feel like levitating never fading. My hairs are ever waiting for day. Because if I say fell, there'll be something. Because I know the way to get more than I make out of music. Other music.
He's too mainstream.
Guys, I'll do it in slow motion.
pop, hip hop.
Samaluma duma, you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it to you. And innovated, and I made a rubber, so anything you say ricocheted off me. More demonstrating, more than ever. How to get my motherfucking on. I feel like it's levitating, everything. And my hairs are ever waiting for a day. Say I fell, it'll be celebrating. Know the way to get a motor. I make elevator music. Elevator music.
He's too mainstream.
Yeah. Slow motion, guys. Just to prove that I said it, right, Jacob?
And we're...
But guys, I do...
Bye!